Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making wax melts. I just have some melted wax here. I usually am adding some fragrance to this. I tend to make my wax melts when I'm making candles, and I'll use the leftover wax to make the wax melts. This fragrance was cinnamon and apple. I'm just adding some dye to colour the candle wax. This ends up drying a lot lighter. If you would like to see the full candle making process, I will link candle making videos at the end of this video. On this day I was making 2 cinnamon and apple candles, so I didn't have a lot of wax left. But that's okay, I think I've got 3 wax melts. Each time I make candles, I will just see how many wax melts I get, and then I will save them up until I have enough to put into a jar. Here I have some purple candle wax, and I'm just about to add fragrance to this. This is a lavender fragrance oil I'm adding. Give it a good mix. Out of this leftover wax, I got 2 full wax melt trays in the lavender. And you better leave these to dry for 24 hours before you try to pop them out. On another day I had made green candles and I had green peppermint wax melts. As you can see, I added them to this jar with a little gift tag, and they make a great little gift. Let me know if you try these.